The loopOut expression allows you to automatically loop any animation after it finishes, making your life as an animator a whole lot easier. The expression is written down in the video description. Here's how it works. For my example, I'm using rotation, so I set a keyframe at 0 and a keyframe at 1 full rotation. I go back to the beginning of the comp, I alt-click on the rotation stopwatch, and I write this expression. Loop out, and then in parentheses, and then in quotations, the type is cycle. And then make sure the parentheses are closed with a semicolon. This will repeat your animation reading from the first keyframe to the last keyframe. As soon as the last keyframe hits, it'll just revert back to the beginning, and you don't need to copy and paste keyframes until the end of your comp. You can use this expression on things like position, scale, rotation, opacity, and probably a couple more. This effect is really helpful to make animation a lot easier. In order to make sure that your whole comp loops, if that's the type of animation you're making, ensure that if you have a 1 second animation, that your whole comp ends at 1 second. So for example, my animation is 1 second and my whole comp is 15 seconds, so it'll loop no matter what. If you have something that animates for 2 seconds, make sure that your whole comp is divisible by 2. So make sure it is 12 seconds, 14 seconds, 16 seconds, etc. Utilizing expressions like this not only enhances your animations, but also makes you a more efficient and effective animator, allowing you to create complex effects with minimal effort. Subscribe for more.